They don't like I let them secrets out. That's real shit on me when it comes to making content. It's cheap production. Doesn't cost a lot to make it. Hell, you could be on your camera phone and catch something, they go crazy. Put it on your YouTube before you know it, man. You making videos of catching shit crazy and people, you making money. Why do you think people immediately pull out their phone? They won't even help somebody who's really in need. They rather pull out their phone and be like, man, look at this crazy ass shit. People use their hands for the wrong reasons these days. Real shit. You see a motherfucker in need. Motherfucker won't even help them. They rather pull out the camera. You know I ain't lying. Before phones and, you know, people being able to use their camera and go viral or whatever with it, people used to really like, man, hold on, that shit ain't right. I mean, maybe I'm from a different lifetime. I don't know. Like, you know, maybe when people like really had some type of couth or moral or stood for something, no matter what, where you came from, no matter what background, motherfuckers know right from wrong. Real shit. People won't even help. Like, man, they'll pull out their phone first. This the reality we live in. I don't know, I try to be a friendly reminder of like, hey, it wasn't always like that. I don't know, I think the internet's used for the wrong reasons and camera phones and just what people do now, recordings, like, man, people do it for their marriage just to get some more money. Well, look, I was recording him. It was already a setup. You had the tools already. You didn't have to go to fucking Best Buy or Radio Shack to go and get you a record. You had to really put in some wrench time. Shit, you got your phone right there, boom, you press record. As soon as you antagonize them, boom, I'm pressing record, boom, listen to this. Sit back and hold tight. Straight up, like it's crazy these days. You got they give you the tools right in your home. Yeah, this shit is insane, man. That's why I feel like when I cut content or I do something anymore, like when it's me, I feel like it's just me. I ain't gotta worry about none of the drag, none of the bullshit people wanna do and be fake and wanna sell something to somebody online like that ain't even them. Like, be yourself. I'm cool on that shit, to be honest.